How to drain water away from an egress window is very important. When managing your yard water, always make sure that the water is graded away. So around this egress window, the dirt has been built up. There's some grass seed down right now, but you build the dirt up and you angle the water away so it sheds away. Now you can see there's a downspout to the right, downspout to the left. These were dumping a lot of water into the swale on the side of the house. This was filling up with water and working its way up to the egress window. So what we're doing is we're running a French drain system to manage the yard water, and we're taking that out to a storm drain catch basin. You can see that we got our fabric underneath our pipe. We're going to put the stone in and do our burrito wrap. We got the sprinkler lines that were underneath. So we're going to run a solid pipe off that downspout and to a pop-up right over top of the French drain system. We're going to do the same thing over here. Now there's no threat for the water to get in through the egress window and destroy this beautiful finished basement. For all your yard water drainage solutions, give us a call.